as you can imagine, I am super happy to have the wings finally attached to the fuselage. Now they aren't permanently attached yet. I haven't drilled the rear spars. They're not rigged yet, and the wing struts are not installed. Unfortunately, before I can do any of that, I have to remove the wings again. There's two reasons why, and I'm going to show you that now. Okay, reason number one, this cleco right here is actually hitting this rib, and I'm not sure if that's interfering with having the wing move all the way towards the fuselage or not. So I'm going to take some of these clecos out. The only reason, or the only way to take them out is to move the wing back, get the cleco pliers in there and get these clecos out. Now the reason I left them in there and I left this top window on is because I want to fit this top skin here and just see how it terminates against this top window. Reason number two, the bottom of the wing skin here is actually hitting the side of the fuselage. I was still able to get the bolt in fairly easy, so I think it's just a hair too long, but I need to take the wing off and then trim this so that it's not rubbing against the fuselage. I just wanted to mention also, as you're fitting your wings to your fuselage for the first time, just be aware that you probably will have to trim the edge or the end of this trailing edge skin. I had to trim on mine, I measured in 9/16 on the bottom here, and then on the top it just tapered down to nothing. So I kind of cut out a triangle shape on here to trim it. It's perfectly parallel to the fuselage now. Well, once these pliers aren't holding it up out of the way, but it's nice and parallel to the fuselage. But just be aware that you probably are going to have to trim yours before you can fit the wing bolts in or drill the aft spar here. I had to do mine or trim my skins on both sides. All right, that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. I wish I could stay here and finish working on my wings, getting them rigged and installed, but I have to leave for work for 4 days. So once I get back, if I can get a couple people together and help me remove these wings again, and then I can remove the clecos and then trim that bottom skin, they'll be ready to put back on, and then I can get them rigged and drilled and get the wing struts on, and that's going to be another huge step I'm looking forward to getting done.